Hello, how are you today? For today's video we have a weird stick trick for a PS5 controller DualSense. As you can see, when I move on the right stick it's going left, so in the opposite side. Let's see how to fix it. Okay, the first thing we must do is to add the flags to make the solder flow more easy. Also I'm using my tweezers to separate the potentiometer from the main joystick. Okay, now we add the leaded solder to lower the melting temperature. Now with my soldering iron I will heat up every pin and at the same time with my other hand I push down the potentiometer to take off. Okay, as you can see now the potentiometer is off. Before we use the solder wick, we add a lot of solder, a lot of flux, sorry, and we try to take off the remaining solder from the holes. Sometimes it's not taking off, so I will use my heat gun and my solder sucker to take off the remaining solder. Okay, the first hole is empty and the second and the third. So now we are ready to put inside the new potentiometer. Okay, the new potentiometer is on its place, and now we add the solder to make the connection. As you can see, I'm not using flux because this solder it has inside the flux itself. After that, you use some IPA and toothbrush and clean the pads. So now the last thing we must do is to check if it's working. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.